In today's tech news, Apple introduced its new AirPods Pro wireless earphones, and Porsche announces its new Taycan electric vehicle. But first, Apple introduced the replacement for the MacBook Pro 15-inch, which is now slightly bigger at 16-inch. From the outside, they look almost exactly the same, except the new MacBook Pro is slightly bigger, heavier, and taller. The side bezels also has shrinked. One of the improvements return to the old type scissor keyboards, which have more travel and are less susceptible to dust being stuck underneath. There's also a physical escape key and cursor buttons, which are in the usual reverse T setting compared to last year's MacBook 15-inch. The latter will also not be available anymore, and the new 16-inch model will replace the old 15-inch MacBook Pro and will also come at the same starting price with 500 GB of SSD and 16 GB RAM. It also features upgraded speakers with built-in subwoofer. New high-quality microphones enable studio-quality voice recordings. The internals also feature an improved airflow to keep the MacBook cooler, and RAM goes up to 64 GB with 8 TB solid state disk. The maximum is 8-core CPU, but it starts with 6-core and runs up to 11 hours on a single battery charge. By the way, the battery is the maximum size that is allowed to be brought on a plane. The new AirPods Pro include active noise cancellation and feature adaptable inner ear plugs, which come in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. Each AirPod Pro has 2 microphones, one outside and one inside. The active noise cancellation is similar to the QC35 Bose over earphones, and they also have a transparent mode where you have better hearing of your surroundings. They also have more bass than the normal AirPods and are capable of measuring in-ear pressure fluctuations to equalize inner and exterior of the earphones. They cost €279 and are only available in white color. You'll need at least iOS 13.2 to use the full functionality. Porsche finally introduces its all-electric vehicle, the Taycan limousine, which features 460 kilowatt and weighs 2.3 tons. It can reach 100 kilometers an hour in 2.8 seconds, and the highest speed is limited to 260 kilometers an hour. The steering is all-wheel. It includes a wobble stabilization, active aerodynamics, adaptive undercarriage, and can travel a distance of up to 400 km on one charge. Charging, by the way, takes 9 hours from 0 to 100%. The Turbo S Taycan costs €185,000. It is a full 4-seater and has a luggage compartment of 81 liters on the front and 366 liters on the back. Delivery will begin in early 2020. Leave a comment below which electric vehicle would you choose, the Tesla S or the Taycan. And if you like this kind of news, Please remember to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.